When working on physical products in XDesign, you want to be sure you can save and access the designs without any confusion. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform makes it simple and straightforward to store and save your designs. This includes a collaborative workspace found in the 3D Space app, and the My Content folder that contains all the designs created in your account. In this lesson, I'll walk you through how to create a new physical product, as well as how you can access existing designs from the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Here I'm working in the SolidWorks Designer 3D dashboard and have a new component open in XDesign. This is a great place to start your modeling process, but you may be wondering, how do I get here? Or even, how do I open designs I've already worked on? Not to worry, I'll walk you through the interface and show you exactly how to access the content you're looking for. First, I want to show you how to create a new physical product. To do this, simply click on the My 3D Modeling Apps button on the left side of the compass shown here. This brings up the apps down below, and to begin working on a new model in XDesign, I can double-click on the app, and a new window appears. From here, simply click on Start a New Component. And if I have more than one collaborative space available, I'm prompted to select it here, which I'll select Common Space, and I'm brought into a new workspace where I can begin designing a new component. You may want to keep this workspace pinned open, so to pin it to the dashboard, simply click on this button here. Then select the dashboard you want to pin this design to, as well as which tab you'd like to use. For now, I'll leave it set to SolidWorks XDesign and create a new tab. And now it's pinned. From here, the window can be expanded to provide the maximum working space. Now that you know how to create a new physical product, I want to show you some ways you can access existing models and keep working on them. The first location is from the 3D Space app. This can be accessed by going to the My Social and Collaborative Apps button at the top of the compass, and then double-clicking on 3D Space. This brings up all the collaborative folder locations that your models are stored, such as the Common Space folder I have showing here. Double-clicking on this folder brings up all the products that have been stored here. If you want to create a new collaborative space to store designs, you can click on the arrow next to My Collaborative Spaces at the top, and then select New Collaborative Space. From here, you can give it a title, a description, set the visibility of the collaborative space, as well as the family of content it falls in, whether it's a design or a different document type. The second location to access files you've worked on is from the My Content folder. This can be accessed by clicking on the search bar at the top and then clicking on My Content. This brings up all the models you've worked on and saved to your account, spanning multiple collaborative spaces. There may be a lot of options showing, and you can change how they're displayed by selecting a different view. If you want to search for a specific physical product or document, you can always use the search bar at the top. So if I type in the name and hit Enter, all the designs that include that name appear. The last step is opening the component in XDesign. To do this, simply click on it and hold the mouse button. When you start dragging it on screen, and then drop it on screen, you can either open the design by clicking this button, or you can insert it into the existing design by clicking on this Insert icon. I'll simply click Open for now, and I can go ahead and continue working on the design.